there.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow. When Vietnam do? Go America
Vietnam, Chinese, America go there.
do? America go Vietnam.
Don't have Pearl Harbor. Vietnam mash up that blood clot because I hear America war go on with Vietnam. You know?
Yes.
Remember?
Me know that.
They couldn't win Vietnam in the jungle. Because the man they know trap all kind of buckle.
All on the hurt them man they jump from.
You just walk and drop in
and drop in a hole and dead you're dead.
So then say retire. You see when Vietnam, everybody duck up, America have a base at Pearl Harbor, you know.
Yes.
When base down there.
Yes.
All Navy ship there, so they didn't base and near base of Vietnam. And in the same region.
America base.
America base. And the Chinese man then wait till America, Pearl Harbor and celebrate. Boom, then boom up every blood. Now, warplane, aircraft carrier, destroyer.
Lick them down, flat.
Coming at me, but by the time man people run with a plane, they mash
They're
up.
dead already. Before if you take cover, them dead already.
But you know, say right now, them I say, some American soldiers still down there where they not find back, but they didn't kill them all. That when Chinese man a torture, you know, dead, you know.
A dead man, them a torture you for life. Crazy thing, daddy. I walk one around this. Oh, that's for them meet now, man. We are get bad history or
So
so.
yeah, hear me now?
Yes. All around, original top bike fixer.
America then go back now. God said them a go boom up Vietnam there. But that year tactics, so because they mash up America so ship them bad down there. You know the Vietnamese man there?
Real history.
Doctor, you know.
Yeah. Papa D, alla.
So them a go make
and I China.
them a go make a drugs. The America, where them have to crawl on their knee come back. That a coke. A Chinese man make that, you know.
And it build yet.
You hear me now?
A China man build coke.
Wait. The coke go wild at Bolivia. Wild. Out on the street, you sit on all the man have the leaf and yammy. Yeah, eye, you know, but you know that's a pet thing.
Okay.
Come like tobacco.
Yes, then kind of
Yes.
there. Yeah.
The Colombia man then get the antidote off the Mexico. Kerosene Island there, you know.
Blood.
Ammonia.
In a cocaine.
Yes, around 9 different something them mix with the cocoa after them put it in dry, you know.
Oh, you know this in
I
y'all?
want them in a study, in a research, man. I know the cokehead, brother.
Remember good no man.
27 years. I'm in a business.
Papa D.
The whole media, me tell the whole world, me tell you now.
How we there and listen to history, you know?
At 27 years, me a smoke it, boy.
27 years.
I'm a top smoking 6 years now.
Remember that.
Nah, smoke it again. I know me a coke.
Bike the man
Nah,
turn to
touch it.
studying bike work, brother.
Yeah, I mean,
Done with
no
that.
black man smoking either.
And a
white
good
man, he
something.
make probably snort, you know. And that the Chinese man make and tell the back America. I know see not create the whole America, man.
Mash up America, man.
Mash up America with it.
Cocaine. Mash up the whole Algeria everywhere.
People take out to them and start to smoke the crap. And that when you smoke that, no, you like when you
Yes,
just smoke,
that
you're
done.
gone.
You're gone.
You don't want
Gone.
nothing but another high.
At
Just
all times.
Another high. You can't take back the first high there, you know. You can't catch it back.
And you'd do anything to get the
Oh,
idea.
God, man. Well, me's a man.
You'd sell out everything we have there.
Yes. Me a rock on ship and come from Mexico with something, man. I just say, yes, I just sell out the whole of them.
Yes, man. Just
When
with a
my
bun.
money done. Me come
Yeah,
from
man.
foreign with you,
Yeah, man.
With
That's
that
true,
tea and
man.
coke, me should have rich. And I see my friend now smoke and I hide and I hide.
Yeah.
I say, well, why not that talk? The time I weed me smoke. No one know why not that make them a hide, so as them take it, them a hide.
Yeah.
So me want to hide too.
Lord!
I say-
Real life story history
See?
general.
You see, the first
Crazy.
time I smoke, I say, ah, shit that. I don't want that.
So you never give the idea first time?
No, wait no man. You know, give me no feel nothing like that. The next night, go, I sell them, you know, I sell them and say, man, I hide feel all, I hide some. I
Hide back at some place.
And lock up some door and...
And I hide.
So I say, what the fuck that? So I go test it because they want me smoke it, you know. Because through me have the logo.
Yeah.
They want broke me night too. But nobody don't force it on me. I just say, yeah, I love experiment, you know. The only thing I experiment I need, you know.
Yeah, I see me too.
Like
Yeah, the only thing me experiment I need to.
experiment them, you know.
Yeah, me not like needle.
You see, the third time I smoke that Papa D, come like me that heaven if there's a heaven.
So you know what they say they know, yeah.
No nice, so that when
Hear that, world?
I get in the bloodstream now.
Don't make that happen too, no.
Yeah.
You hear that?
You hear me say?
Yeah.
In my bloodstream now. I'm gonna stop smoke again. Every day.
How much years you get?
27 years.
27 years, Allah on fire and put you up now.
Me rap.
Long time.
Live.
Long time.
Them not tell us me have now, me can just go take a piece of what me have.
I don't even want that.
Yes. Me nah give nobody.
Right.
Yeah. I enjoy and I say me can hold out. Man, so once you start, you can't stop.
Yeah, but you're not top
when
man.
me are the only man in the world.
I'll rub me see your tongue.
When me...
Rub me see your drink.
No, me eat by the rum too.
No, me not talk about the food, because you're eating.
Coming up, you have a substitute, you know.
What? So what is the substitute?
What? You have either just start smoke weed every day, that smoke weed or you drink rum.
Something has
happened today. Yeah, but you have something now. People like that. Because it's tempting, you know.
It's true.
It's tempting, it's very
crazy
tempting.
talk, right?
Yeah, see it and walk.
Real talk.
Hide and go to me, said no.
The way of a man's lifestyle, the man change.
I pray. Yeah, hear me trying it?
Yeah.
I pray to God.
Feel
no me
that
stop.
left you.
Them I say, me got rehab. God know, I just say mine. Pray to God.
And you not got rehab?
Listen when I say now, I tell you. Me feeling in my chest burn me after 27 years. Like when they take teams or some, you know, like acid in your stomach.
Yes.
One burning sensation. And I say, no sir, I'm not ready for dead yet. And the woman is up pretty. Look how the woman is pretty.
Pretty? Hey, we're not ready for dead yet. Hey, and we're not...
the one that's up.
Yeah, right there.
China, look on the
Yeah,
one
man, them pretty, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're not ready for dead yet.
We're
Yeah.
not ready for dead yet. And this boy, you know.
You see them? See them there now. The general say not ready for dead yet because they're too pretty.
And this boy not gone yet.
And the boy is still ready.
He's still up and running.
Allah.
And I pray to God.
Yes.
Say me want to stop. Sweat and bad, you know.
Yeah.
And the woman can't go out to the
Oh God, that these people want to hear. World want to hear this.
No man. You see the next night now, my dreams say one shredder come over me. See him? And the man say, you go dead, the shredder. But you, me don't know who. And me just lick peace, you know.
You just lick peace?
Me I grab her for him, you know.
You grab her for the shredder?
But me can't grab him. I grab her for him and he say, you must dead if you not tap the way I do. He say, what you see me I do? He say, alright, look how you stay. Black like my pants.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, I pray, you know. The man say, look how you stay, black like my pants. They have a flat screen TV in my house. And the time for the TV, I say, you know, so you know you're done. And I feel, you know, me feel say, don't you son right.
And you're top.
You see the next man, you know what like where you just would wake up and want that stick the bud.
Yes.
Me don't want nothing again like that. Me don't want no coke again.
Done.
Yeah.
You're top.
Come out of me. Me sweat you out, you know.
Dead
The hospital then carry me say me I go dead. Me a tremble.
And put it down.
And God stop me.
To the world. I hope you hear that story and follow that footstep here. Veteran TV. Reality.